Welcome to another video of CAMFive EMB. This time, we'll show you how to embroider an astronaut design. Let's begin. You can make impressive and detailed embroidery with your CAMFive EMB machines, but also you can work with simple designs with the same result. This time we'll work with a single color design. Introduce your design into the control panel and calculate all the parameters. Get the material on its frame and place it in the machine. Start working on your design. You can use any of the colors for the embroidery, so let your imagination fly. This is a pretty fast project, so we hope you have fun working on it. Once you've finished, remove the frame and the extra material from the embroidery. Fill the fabric and enjoy of another beautiful work. Thanks for watching! Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content of the CAMFive EMB machines.